Hi everybody, and welcome to day 12 of the 14-day challenge. I hope you've been keeping up. There is a lot of good content in here, and if you've been watching all of them, I think you've learned some things. If you aren't caught up yet, please go back and review what you haven't seen yet. We'll leave this open a week after day 14, and we'll clean it out like we've been saying, unless you want to stay in. But I think there's been some really good stuff, and I'm sure you've learned things, right? Right. Okay, so day 12. What are we talking about today? Ningxia Red. This is Young Living's signature liquid supplement, and it's awesome, and I am going to spend the next few minutes telling you why. But the first thing I want to do is let you know that with your premium starter kit, you get 2 free samples. And if you haven't found them yet, I'm going to show you where to find them. In your box, underneath the 10-pack of oils, is a bunch of goodies. Some people haven't discovered them, or they don't discover them right away. Some have accidentally almost thrown them away. I hope no one's actually thrown them away. But anyway, you're going to find this dress away that Beth talked about, and that roller fitment. She talked about that yesterday as well. You're also going to find these share cards. They call them Care to Share cards. They have this cool little hole in them in which you can place one of these bottles. It's very convenient if you want to share, say, a little lavender with someone and tell them a little bit about it. But if you don't want to do that, these are also awesome for purse size, travel size, briefcase size, however you want to do it. That way you don't have to take the full size of all your bottles with you. You should take your bottles with you wherever you go, your oils, especially the starter kit oils. I like to do that whenever I travel. Anyway, you're going to have these sample sachets and 2 free samples. Each of them are 2 ounces of Ningxia Red. And they're worth a couple of bucks a piece, so don't let them go to waste. Get them out. Put them in your refrigerator. I like to drink this cold. And unlike essential oils, which never expire if they are a pure therapeutic grade essential oil, a good one by Young Living, Ningxia Red is a food supplement, and it will expire. So you've got about a year to use it. And I think you should. I think once you use it, you'll see why we like it so much. So, what's in it? With the graphic today, the day 12 graphic, or in a separate post, there are some graphics, additional graphical information on Ningxia Red. That some of them look like this. All of them look like this, right? So let's go over them a little bit. I won't read every little word, but just the important things. What is this made of? This supplement has, let's see, 5 or 6 superfood berries in them. The wolfberry, of course, which is like a goji berry, blueberry, pomegranate, aronia berry, cherry, plum, grapeseed extract. Now back up a little bit to wolfberry. It's what I mean by like a goji berry. It's a form of the goji berry. So I know you know what the goji berries are, you've heard of them, and you know that they are superfoods. Well, all of these fruits are considered in the high superfood category. There's also essential oils in here. There is yuzu, lemon, orange, tangerine, and vanillin. Yuzu is an oil that is not sold as a single oil by Young Living. It is like lemon, orange, and tangerine in that it's a citrus oil. And citrus oils are great if you are dealing with inflammation. I'll get into a little bit more of that later. Also, vanillin is in here. We get a lot of questions about a vanilla essential oil. Vanilla essential oils that you find out there on the market today, those are for fragrancing. They are considered what they call an absolute. An absolute has to be extracted with some solvents. So it's very, if you don't extract it that way and you use the pure essential oil form of vanilla, it's very expensive to produce. As we've talked about, Young Living doesn't add any chemicals. They want their oils to be safe to apply and some of them to ingest. So the vanilla that's in here and also, by the way, the vanilla that's in Stress Away, is the ingestible form of it. Okay? So a little fun extra facts for you. Now, why do we want Ningxia Red? Why are we so crazy about this? Have you tried it? I ask a lot of my people that. Have you tried your Ningxia Red? And more than not, I get this response. No, I haven't. I'm afraid. There's a lot of things in life to be afraid of, and Ningxia Red is not one of them. What are you afraid of, right? You afraid of the taste? Because it's this like tomatoey blood red color. Maybe you think it's going to taste like a really tart tomato juice with some bitters in it, and no, it doesn't. It's very good. There's fruits in it, right? Others will say, oh, I'm afraid I'm going to get addicted to it, and I don't want to have that extra expense every month. Well, it's not addictive like coffee, or if you have the habit of a diet soda or a regular soda with caffeine. That is addictive. And when you don't have it, you're going to get an emotional and chemical reaction while you're withdrawing from it. Not so with Ningxia Red. You'll miss it because when you do take it, you feel a little better. You'll miss that nice energy lift that it gives you. And you will miss how that you just feel a little better when you're taking Ningxia Red. But it is not addictive. So, okay. Why else would you want to take Ningxia Red? If you look at some of the graphics like this one here, they talk about the antioxidant power of Ningxia Red. Before I explain a little bit more about what that means, we know we need our antioxidants, right? And we eat our superfoods because they're high in antioxidants, even though you may not know what that actually means. But if you were to try and do that in a food way, 1 ounce of Ningxia Red, which is half of one of those packets, right? It has the antioxidant power of 34 large onions. Or if you wanted to get your antioxidants with blueberries, you'd have to eat 814. Let's say you wanted to use spinach instead. Well, you'd have to eat 10.85 pounds of spinach. Or maybe almonds are your thing. 55.33 pounds of almonds, right? To get the same level of antioxidants that you do in 1 ounce of Ningxia Red. It's a much easier and cheaper way of doing it, right? So what is an antioxidant? Why do we need them? I'm going to read the term to help you understand a little bit. What is an antioxidant? An antioxidant is a molecule that inhibits oxidation of the molecules from stored foods. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that releases free radicals. So if you have a poor diet, those things will get stored in your system. When they oxidate, that's what's bad. The oxidation, as I said, is a chemical reaction that releases free radicals. I know you've probably heard that term before too, but it's junk. It's junk that breaks off into your bloodstream, causing all kinds of havoc. The radicals, free radicals, are not our friends. We don't want them. They happen from poor nutrition. So if you are a young person that is not eating right, change that and add Ningxia Red. Let's say that you're older and you had bad eating habits, but now you've got good ones. You might have some of that stuff in your system, right? Ningxia Red and all of your antioxidants will help that. That's why doctors want you to eat foods that have a high antioxidant value, because it's a natural way of keeping your bloodstream clean. But what other things can this do? Well, Ningxia Red can help balance your blood sugar, and that's in all of us, but most especially for people that really need assistance in that area. It's good for your blood. Your blood system, vascular system goes all through your body, and those citrus oils, as well as those berries, help with any type of inflammation. It helps keep you from having those things that will cause inflammation, and a lot of things will cause inflammation, even if you have a very good diet. My daughter right now is taking Ningxia Red twice a day. She has to take 4 ounces a day. For a couple of reasons. She's dealing with a few things. One of the things she has to do is she has to get more protein. And believe it or not, even though there's no protein on this supplement fact, this has a nice couple of grams of protein in it. You can Google that and see where that comes from. But also, this particular product will help with inflammation in the gut. And she does have that as well, caused by different things. So this has been really helpful for her to turn that ship around. So a couple of extra great uses for Ningxia Red. I like to have mine in the afternoon. I like to actually have mine over a couple of cubes of ice. I shake up the bottle a little bit and pour. I pour about 1 ounce a day. If I'm having a really busy day, I will add Ningxia Nitro to it. I put up a graphic about Nitro. Nitro is a natural energy source, kind of a little natural energy drink in a bottle. It's much, much safer than some of that junk you find out there. I'm out of them right now, otherwise I'd show you what it looks like. But days that I'm really busy, I like to throw that in as well, especially if I have a long night ahead of me. But I like to have my Ningxia Red. You can have it any time of the day. It's not going to keep you up at night. But I like to have mine about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, especially if I've had been in the office all day and I'm like really tired, you know. And which, by the way, is right now. But anyway, I think it tastes good. I love how it makes me feel afterwards. I drink it in a glass. Why? Well, remember, there's 4 citrus oils in here, okay? And even though people will down it faster than I'm going to be able to do in this video, they just get it right down. You aren't going to be sipping it like you do in, say, a water bottle. We tell you not to. This is a glass water bottle from Young Living. And we tell you if you're going to drink your citrus oils in water to use glass because it's taking you a while to get that down, and we don't want the plastic breaking down and getting in you. Well, while it may not happen that fast in a Ningxia Red shot, it will ruin a plastic glass. I found that out the hard way. I had plastic glasses like this that I used to take my little shot of Ningxia Red. It takes me about 30 seconds to get it down. And I noticed that the glasses were getting ruined. They were getting etched from that. It's a pain in the neck. So don't do that. All right. Oh, another way you can get it down is Young Living has these shot glasses generally introduced in the packages at Christmas time. They usually have some nice Christmas gift packages, and almost always it has a shot glass of Ningxia Red in it. So that's how I got mine. Sometimes we just down it that way too. Now, cost-wise, you can get these. A 2-pack is about $75 or so. If you do about 1 ounce a day, that should last you about 2 months. If you're going to become a daily Ningxia Red drinker, which I highly recommend, put that in your Essential Rewards cart because you get points back on it. Some people like to save up their points and buy Ningxia Red with them. But if you know you're going to be drinking Ningxia Red every day, the best, the most cost-effective way to do it is to get the Essential Rewards Ningxia Red kit. You can only even see what that is when you are in your Essential Rewards cart. While there, type in Ningxia Red and all the options will come up, including that Essential Rewards Ningxia Red kit, which is 4 of these and a 30-pack of those 2-ounce singles. Per serving is the cheapest way to go. And that's what I do. Before my daughter started drinking this with me, that would last me several months, about 4 months or more. We go through a little more now because she needs it, but it's well worth it. And I'm at 25%, so I get 25% of that back in points. Even better. All right, that's it for today. Thank you. Get your Ningxia Red out and try it, and thank me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.